400 years delivering the fabric of life. From colossal bridge to your mum's butter knife. Guiding physicians' incision with total precision. A tower stretched skyward from grounded position. We made that. We grafted, extracted, milled and melted, hot rolled and blasted. From the hard blackened knuckles of each little mester. Squinting at his grinder, crafting each touch and gesture. Handmade, unique, shaped by each spark. Polished and stamped with a quality mark. We've powered this country and connected each nation, fueled the engine with our essential creation, through each war, strike, depression, recession and cut, and at one time perception that business had shut. Tools down, slag pile, redundant, scrap. Crushed and reduced and it's not coming back. So what do? Do you just sit and row? No. His thinking caps on the foundry floor. Embrace innovation and drive on production. Laser cut accurate and digital construction. Rigorous, resilient, cleaner and greener. A resilient industry, prouder and meaner. This city relishes advancement and technological theory. Otherwise who would besom a huntsman and Brearley? In an artificial future where nothing seems real, Sheffield won't rust. It'll always be steel.